So here in this lecture, we are just going to solve a small question. So this side-to-side VPN connection here, side-to-side active VPN connection. So the question is, how do you make your connection between data center and be AWS redundant also? So for this here, we can use, for example, in terms of VPN connection and active setup. So we can see we have two corporate data centers, corporate data center 1 and data center 2 having the same CIDR block, and they are both connected through a dedicated VPN connection into AWS. What happens is that also your corporate data centers and corporate data center 1 and 2, they are connected with each other with an internal connectivity. So what happens that if, for example, so as you will see, this is an arrow is showing the internal connectivity. So for example, so what happens that if, for example, this first VPN connection goes down, then your network can route from corporate data center 1 to corporate data center 2 into AWS, and thanks to this redundant active VPN connection, and vice versa. If this connection is down, the other way would be the way the cycle would run. So this happens as well when you use like direct connect. So you have two direct connect connections on two corporate data centers, and then these are connected through the internal networking, and therefore if one of these direct connect location goes down, then one corporate data center can still access AWS through the other data center location. And then finally, if you wanted to mix them up together, you could of course use a hybrid backup VPN location. And for example, here your corporate sensor are connected, corporate data centers are connected with each other as well as with through a VPN and a direct connect. And so if one of these things fail, then you have a failover route through the corporate data center 1 and corporate data center 2 with the AWS direct connect. Okay, that's it for this lecture. I hope you liked this, just a little of the comprehension and the question answering. I will see you in the next lecture. Thank you. Have a good day.